In today's digital landscape, mastering keyword research is the cornerstone of any successful online endeavor. Whether you're launching a website, optimizing content, or driving traffic to your business, keywords act as the compass guiding users to your digital doorstep, making it imperative to understand how to harness their potential effectively. In this guide, we'll delve into the intricacies of keyword research, empowering you with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the ever-evolving realm of search engine optimization (SEO). Here's what you can expect to discover: understanding the importance of keyword research. Explore why keyword research is crucial for improving your online visibility, enhancing user experience, and ultimately driving conversions. Defining your objectives. Clarify your goals and target audience to tailor your keyword strategy effectively. Whether you aim to boost organic traffic, increase brand awareness, or drive sales, aligning your keyword research with your objectives is key. Identifying seed keywords. Learn how to brainstorm and compile a list of seed keywords relevant to your niche, industry, or content theme. These initial keywords will serve as the foundation for expanding your research. Utilizing keyword research tools. Dive into the array of keyword research tools available, such as Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz Keyword Explorer. Discover how to leverage these tools to uncover valuable insights, including search volume, competition level, and keyword variations. Analyzing competitor keywords. Gain insights into your competitors' keyword strategies by analyzing their content and organic rankings. Identify gaps and opportunities to refine your own keyword targeting. Refining keyword selection. Navigate the process of refining your keyword list based on relevance, search volume, competition, and user intent. Prioritize long-tail keywords and semantic variations to capture specific search queries and enhance your content's visibility. Monitoring and adapt. Understand the importance of continuous keyword monitoring and adaptation. Track changes in search trends, user behavior, and algorithm updates to refine your keyword strategy and maintain a competitive edge. Optimizing content around keywords. Learn how to seamlessly integrate your selected keywords into your content, including website copy, blog posts, meta tags, and multimedia assets. Discover best practices for achieving keyword density without compromising readability or user experience. Measuring success. Implement metrics and analytics tools to measure the effectiveness of your keyword strategy. Monitor key performance indicators (KPIs) such as organic traffic, click-through rate (CTR), conversion rates, and keyword rankings to gauge your success and identify areas for improvement. Adapting to industry trends. Stay abreast of evolving search trends, algorithm updates, and industry shifts to adapt your keyword strategy accordingly.